Hey everybody, Felcher Rash. Welcome back to 365 Days of Irish Tenor Banjo Tunes. Today we are on day 331. When you're going to do this thing for 365 days in a year, it's amazing to me that I haven't done a couple more of these where I've had a few pints too many, and you just got to get her done. But anyways, today that's where we're at. Had a couple beverages, hard day. We're going to be working on number 128 in the Banjo Buddies Big Book of 365 Irish Tunes, the Rolling Wave, otherwise known as the Humours of Trim. Just going to be a quick one-off, and we'll see if we can even make it through the whole darn thing. Okay, I think that's the best we can do, and we're going to call her a night. Slán, and we'll see you tomorrow.